how to buy LOLI AI token. This token came under the symbol of AI LOLI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any new project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the update about this token. This much important. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. So as you can see, this token, the liquidity there are locked by 100%. That's good. It means that your investment in the safe place. So to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And as you can see, the token is trending number 1 in the screener. So this token came under this wallet network. Now for that, open your Phantom wallet, click on swap here, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, click here and paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Now click on it. After that, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap here, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy AI LOLI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.